Okay, good evening, team. So, guys, K means we completed, right? So 76. What is name of K? Guys, the project which we work that is called customer segmentations. It's a capstone projects again. It is resume project, guys. Remember this one. So the name of the is called customer segmentations. Okay, this is what important. I think. Uh, okay, Tim, shall we start now? Everyone, did you work? This is 4 p.m., right? This is mm, very good, Shraddha. Okay, shall we work? The agenda for today's session, I will be working on, today we'll working on hierarchical clustering and DB scan clustering and hierarchical clustering, DB scan clustering, and what next, team? PCA. principal component analysis. Today we'll finish. Then I'll share you some resume sample. Understood, guys? And then we can do this, guys. Let's continue now. So let's talk about hierarchical clustering. Shall we start, everyone? Okay, let's go ahead now. So let's discuss. And after that, I will share you some jobs and internship. Please apply in the classroom. Please apply in the class now. Understood, guys, or not? Or maybe after the class, please share me your profile. Please share me offline team, online team immediately every day, because whatever projects we worked, mention the projects in the same and then we can share it. Are you clear now? All right, so let's do that here. The first one, hierarchical clustering. So the name itself, HIERAR. What is meant by hierarchical? Step by step, isn't it? What is meant by hierarchical? Step by step. Okay, let's do that. I wanted to, it's a simple concept. These concepts are simple. Let's, today we'll finish this and then we, May month, and okay, I have, see, hierarchical clusters divide into two part. Hierarchical clusters divide into two part. Hierarchical means what? Step by step. Okay. Yeah. So here the first one is agglomerative cluster. Second one is divisive clustering. Pretty clear? Agglomerative clustering, and what is second one, guys? Divisive clusters. Okay. What is agglomerative clusters? It form a cluster. It will form the group. Devise. It's divide the group. Divisive, the name itself. Understood, guys? It will form the group based on, okay, nearest points. It divide the group based on nearest points. So now let's discuss this now, guys. And here, let's go for it. So if you notice this now, just have understand this part. For example, so I have 5 data points in this graph. Now in this graph, I have how many data points? 5. Out of 5, can you tell me which is close to each other? Which is close to each other, guys? C and D is close to each other. So I can create a first cluster, CD. Yes or no? We create the cluster from bottom to top approach. We create the cluster from bottom to top approach, CD. Then what is nearest neighbor to CDE? Am I correct or not? They're closer, so I can write CDE, CDE. What is nearest cluster? AB. So the connect which we're doing, this line is called dendogram. Understood, guys? This line is called dendogram. What is dendogram? Dendogram is the lines which connected from one data points to other data points. Got my point? So this is CD. First we create a group AB, then CD, then CDE, पहले ये ग्रुप बनाए, then this one, then ये वाला, and then let's combine A, B, C, D, E. Then we're gonna do A, B, C, D, E. Team, are we clear? Then we'll create this group. Team, understood or not? So I hope we create these clusters. Yes, great. So what next one? So this is what we're gonna do. And after that, agglomerative divisive. Are you clear? So this is what. So this concept called, this is what. Are we create a group bottom to top approach or not? Are we create a group from bottom to top approach? This is called agglomerative clustering. So the name itself, divisive. What is divisive? Divide the cluster. If you see the divide the cluster, A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D is divided into A, B, and then C, D, E, divisive, divide, isn't it? So A, B, C, D is divided into A, B, and C, D, E. A, B again divided into A and B. C, D E again divided into C, D, and D. Yes or no? C, D again divided into C and D. Team, are you clear? Understood or not? So that's the way we're going to build this cluster. So that's it. That is what the concept of hierarchical cluster. There's no concepts is there. So yesterday, whatever projects we done, can we build the same project on apply? Can you please open Spider now? From the Spider, whatever data set we used last time, and let's implement this now, guys. Here, where is Spider? Can you please open Spider, guys? It's not working. Just wait. This is what we build, right? And let's go with this part. No, man, no, not at all. It's not because of Spider. How do you confirm that? It's maybe antivirus, maybe some other app. I'm using this since long. Never happened. Does Spider slow your system? No. Check with the other apps. Something might be impacting. So, okay. Can you please read the data sets? The same data sets, guys. Can you please read the same data set, hierarchical cluster? So this data sets only. Let me do not update every time, Ranjit. Spider, every time when you open, it will ask for updates, right? Do not updates. Okay. Yeah. No, no, that's not a problem. If you update, then might be that could be the cause. Please. So if you remember, uh, file, new file, please, let's work. Now, shall we do higher hierarchy cluster? Yes. Same data sets. I'm not changing any data sets over here. So execute. It's saying, okay, go back to the file. Let's copy and now, my bad. Just restart kernel. 1 second. Okay, great. So this is data sets we have. This is X we have. Pretty clear? Now let's apply import scipy dot cluster. How many data points we have, guys? 200 records. Do you see same data sets we working or not? The data sets which we used on Friday, the same data sets we are working. Am I correct, guys? All right. So now import numpy as np, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, import pandas as pd. Yeah. So have you write import scipy? So what is scipy? Scipy we use for statistics, and also in scipy it is scientific compute package for Python. Understood, guys? So next cluster, control I. When you do control I, now you see that what is read these parameters. It is clustering algorithms are useful in information theory, target detections, communications, compressions, and other areas. Okay. So this is all those things we have. Pretty clear, guys. And the hierarchical module provides function per hierarchical agglomerative clustering. Understood, team? So here, control I. When you see hierarchy, yeah, this is what important. Now hierarchy. If you see in hierarchy, these are routines for agglomerative clustering. In agglomerative clustering, did you notice there's a few things? I mean, if there is a few records, 100, 3, 25, and 5. So total, how many records assume? I have 100, 3, 25, 4. Correct? It will find out group nearest neighbors or not. So one nearest neighbor is what? 3. So it will create 1, 3. So how exactly your machines knows the one is close to 3? Their DSA applied. Are you guys understood now? So this DSA is taken care by these guys. Team understood now. And 3 is close towards 4, which is 3, 4. 3, 4 is close towards 10, 10, 3, 4. And finally, everything will come back and 25 will be created. So exactly the way I draw the group, understood? The same way I have 200 records right now. So it will create a dendogram of every records. Online team, are you understand what I'm talking? Online team, are you understand what I'm talking? Did you clear? Okay, so how? So here, there's a few things you need to understood. There are agglomerative clusters. We have few linkages. What is linkage? Link between two data points is called linkage. The linkage, we have single linkage, complete linkage, average linkage, weighted linkage, centroid linkage, median, word method. So these methods. So how do you linkage, guys? So single or complete. In single, it perform minimum nearest distance metrics to y data point. You see this, guys? When you say complete, it perform max linkage, farthest distance. Understood? So when you have single, it will calculate the nearest neighbor. When you say complete for farthest distance, average UPGMA, link distance metrics, weighted linkage, and then centroid, then median, then word. Guys, got the clarity? What is linkage, everyone? So what I'm going to do, I'll click that and execute here. Team understood now. So the next thing is uh, clear, team, everyone. So please go back and execute. After execute, so I want you to, okay, just 1 second. So here, let's dendogram And so here, the moment when I build this linkage, there is no dependent. Do you see a dendogram graph I build here? Can you please write this? Can you please write this? Did you got the graph, guys? Everyone? So here, which method we apply here? Word method. Okay. So yes. So let's execute. And the next one. So let's apply. I mean, if we build elbow graph, okay, last time I forgot to write down, guys. So here, sorry, k-means clustering we built in k-means. We understood math for k-means, isn't it? And what else, guys, we discuss after that? How the cluster calculates and how the ED matrix works. So ED matrix is nothing but linkage, right? So just now I was explaining the linkage, and then we talk about centroid concept, how to, what is centroid, and then I can call what is centroid and how to calculate centroid, isn't it? How to calculate centroid. What else, guys? What is centroid? How to calculate centroid? Huh? And we talk about mm, yeah, what is elbow graph? What is elbow graph? Elbow graph helps to find out uh, how many clusters, how many cluster we need to make from what, guys? The clusters we need to make from what? Uh, from the data set. Understood or not? Yeah, this is all those things we have. So great. Elbow method, yes. That's called elbow graph. So in elbow graph, what is x-axis? Number of clusters. And what is y-axis? WCSS, which is within cluster. Great. So this one is done. Okay. Now please check this. So please build now, because I no need to add, because I already made last class we have built a elbow graph or not. Same data, so I can change. If you see agglomerative clustering, how many cluster it is giving to us by default? In K-means, how many cluster, guys? 8. But here, how much it is showing? 2. Did you see n cluster 2, matrix Euclidean, okay, linkage word? These all inbuilt parameters or not? Now I can change to 5. I can do hyperparameter tuning. Can you please try this, guys? So let's, oh, it's still going on. I think the model has built y underscore hc. Did you notice? So actually it is predicting, if I open X, it is predicting the first customer belongs to which cluster? 4 cluster. Are you guys understood? Second records belongs to which cluster? 3 cluster. The third record belongs to 3 clusters. Have you noticed them all, team? Team, please understand, yes or no? Yes, guys. Great. Team completed? Completed, guys. Okay. Now I want to, can you check this? I will share you on this one. Please try this. Okay. Did you see in k-means, um, what happened? The centroid was present, but here the centroid was absent. Centroid is absent, isn't it? In k-means, the centroid is present, and in hierarchical clusters, the centroids are absent. Yes or no, team? Team done? Okay, everyone is completed. Now check. Yes, yes. I am asking to you, when we compare k-means and hierarchical, Did you see the groups are you find different or same? No, no, please check, compare. Compare the groups, guys, and let me know. K-means cluster and this clusters. Please compare. Please compare. Absolutely wrong, Ravi, Chandu. Without compare, how do you saying that? Did you see cluster one was red in K-means? That's what I'm saying. Please compare and let me know. I'm doing a drop a small message. One second. Please compare and let me know. Did you got same or different online people? Different. Different below is it's not key fold, it's key means. Exactly. Do you find same or different? Can you check? Same? Different. You supposed to get different or same? You're supposed to get different only. Understood, guys? One second. One second. Let me take one snipping tool. Okay. It is different. Am I correct, guys? It's supposed to be different because both behavior is different, algorithm is different. It is supposed to be different, guys. Okay. So now the next thing is we got different. Now, can you please? Yes, Aftaf, that's right. So if you notice this now, can you please mention dataset cluster, why hierarchical clusters? So if I go to the dataset, now you can do this, guys. Understood or not? So cluster, now what you do, you can compare the both table, k-means and hierarchical clusters. You can compare both. Understood now? Hierarchical clustering part clear. So we understood with how exactly it works. I meant to say how k-means work, how hierarchical clusters work. Can we go to the next one, guys? Tim cleared this part, how hierarchical agglomerative clusters. So that's, we not divide the clusters. Actually, this is what practical of hierarchical. So the two things we work here, the first thing is hierarchical clusters. We are done. Next one, let's go with DB scan cluster. The second part is DB scan clustering. Before I do it, I want to share uh, one thing. Let's see that there's a new announcement. The name of the company is Young Minds. Mm, for this one, guys, BTech MCA BCA 60%, 15K per month. Understood, guys? I'm sharing this now. You can apply. Understood now? Did you apply it already? Did you apply your online team? Another one, this is 7. Hey, I post to you only. Okay, 4 p.m. All right. I got another opportunities. Let me post. Okay, just 1 second. There's two more posting, and this is good company, guys. Have you applied to P3? Have you applied to P3, guys? Let me tell you, you are not so serious, guys, because guys eligible on, please apply now. Please check. This is 0 to 3 year experience. Gen AI Agentic AI engineer. Have you noticed that? Another one. Today I'll share two profile. Can you check? Online team, did you receive it? Save. Understood now. So which company? And another one, just go to new announcement and then upload, browse, download. So this is another company. Team apply below positions as well. If you have created a resume, discuss with me, work the projects, and then mentioned it. Are you clear? Yes. So today I'm sharing replacement requirement. So this is for internship positions, fresher 3 months. The name of the company is Special Alphabet. So AI ML intern. Apply karo all those things based on interview performance face to face 3 months. Apply this. Can you do it? Everyone. Understood team. Online team, offline team. Can you do it? So the second one, I'll give it to you as 4.5 LPA to 9 LPA for experienced candidates. Demands on cities Hyderabad. Offline drive at our institute on Saturday. Okay, so Saturday we have it now. And then Zeta Micron product-based company, you can apply this one as well. So I'm just sharing all the file. Please work. Okay, team. Great. And Shraddha, please update all the practicals in your LinkedIn. Okay, Kishan, Shraddha, Rakesh, everyone. So can we go to the another one? DB scan clusters. What is DB scan? Density based special cluster applications with noise. It is not used, but still, as it is one of part of the algorithm, let me talk about this, guys. Understood what is name of the things, guys? Density based special clusters applications with noise. Clear? So here, now try this. Let me discuss. To, to build this algorithm, there is two things required. Minimum points required is 3 points, guys, to define a core point and boundary point. core point, boundary point. Another point is noise point. I don't want to introduce this, but still, one reason I'll tell you why we just no need to for practical for this one, just to have little discuss on what is DB scan clusters. If you see this DB scan clusters, look at that. It is a clusters or not? Where is that, man? This is also a cluster. I can call this also as a cluster. Guys, got my point? See, the clusters which we created, the cluster which I shows, both are different clusters or not? वो clusters different, ये भी clusters different, guys. But in these clusters, if you see, there's a heavy noisy points are there. You understood? There's a more noise points are there. So when you notice this, now try this one. So more noise points are there, isn't it? So when you see more noise point, I'll take few clusters and keep it here and let's expand it. Understood? So what is mean by that? Look at that. I'm just pick some of the random points and make it here. So if I make a circle over here, if I make a circle over here, don't do you think one, two, three clusters inside a circle or not? Three clusters inside a circle. When three clusters inside a circle, this is called core point. This is called core point. This is called boundary point. Understood or not? So this is called core point. This is how many point? Minimum point. Three. Are you clear now? And if I draw a circle over here, can we call R as core point? Can we call R a score point? Yes. And then this one and this one is boundary point, isn't it? Because ये circle के अंदर 3 points we have. But now when we have this point, so Q, this is neither core nor boundary point. This is neither core nor boundary point. Are you guys clear? So, because why it is not a core point boundary point? Because in the circle we have only one data points, right? But look at this data points. In this data points, this data point is not directly reachable with core point, boundary point. This data point is sitting outside, isn't it? So that's called, it's a noise point, which I called outlier. Understood? Interview question. How to detect outlier? DB scan also you can speak. Understood? How to detect outlier? To detect outlier, DB scan also you can speak. Online team clear, online team clear. So that's it. So that's all about DB scan. Okay, so this is what we have. What is advantages of DV scan? It is great at separating cluster of high density versus when the data has high density clusters of low density within given data. So disadvantages doesn't work well when dealing with clusters of varying densities, while DBs can great separating high density clusters. So high density means what? If you have heavy density, sometimes it'll struggle to find out low point, core point, boundary point, all those things. So nobody use it, but just to reason why I introduce to DB scan also to help to detect as outlier. Understood? Still, I'll give one code. Let's see this. I can create a DB scan, make blobs, means the name of the data set itself make blobs. Understood? The name of the data set is what, guys? Make blobs. And this automatically, I no need to import any libraries. This library, this data has fetched from a sklearn dataset model. Clear, guys? And how do you compute? This is what you write. And do you see this is called, I mean, sounds like, how do you call, guys? A DB, I'm sorry, yeah, DB scan clustered. So this is not required, but if you want to work, I'll give it to you. Okay, just you can ignore this one. Last one, PCA. PCA. Where is PCA? What is PCA? Priyanka Chopra. Wait, yes. Wait, I think I, okay, here we go. PCA documents. I forgot to. PCA documents. Okay, good thing. I wanted to introduce this PCA, but before that, DB scan. I want to show you something. Just wait. PCA math techniques. Okay, I wanted to ask few questions to you, then we will discuss this now. Okay, team? Chalo, theek hai. Let's discuss. Can you see the diagram? First question, when to implement PCA, guys? PCA कहाँ पे use होगा? Offline team, online team, please response. बताओ यार. Answer me. Overfitting. Ayo, I know, but still I'm not able to answer. Overfitting. How many times? Sharon, remember, forgot. याद था सर भूल गया, right? And then clustering. So how many points? 2 points. PCA where to introduce if the model overfits. याद है? What is overfit? What is the technique to reduce overfitting? This is overfitting, PCA, ensemble, regularizations, dropout. We study all of the topic or not? Come on, man. If you can't understand, then I'm sorry. Why are you not able to answer? This is overfitting and cluster. Both case. How both case? I will tell you now. Okay. Very powerful concepts. Give me nice concepts. This one will understand. Assume these data points, whatever you see, okay, assume these are attributes. Think there are 30 attributes. Kitna attributes hai, guys? 30 attributes. When you build the model overfit with 30 attributes. Can we reduce or not? Understand, guys? My question, how many dimension is this, people? X-axis, Y-axis. How many dimension? 2 dimensions. Okay. Now, if someone stands from this view one, and if I see this graph, how the graph looks like? Anybody? Please answer me. When someone stands from this view, and when you see the graph, how the graph looks like, how the line, how the 2D looks like, guys, how this looks like. Online team, please answer. Very good, Bal. Very good. Linear line or not? Guys, आप वहीं पे खड़े होके देखोगे. Don't you think it looks like line or not? Agree with me? So when you see, when this view one looks like line, so in this line, will you feel the attributes are equal 30 or less than 30? Yeah, come on, yeah. What guys you studying? Come on. If I ask a school kid, he answer. Where are you, team? Okay, this assume this line contains how many attributes, guys? 30 attributes. When I see this view one, now this graph looks like linear. When the graph looks like these attributes count will equal 30 or less than 30 or greater than 30. Equal. क्या क्या पढ़ रहे हो यार? I mean, which college you study? Where is your brain? I'm in surprise. I'm thinking. Even though if I don't you think these points are overlap with the line or not? Don't you think it's look like less than 30 or not? 7 p.m. batch is one of, I can't say, but hello guys, online team, are you there or not? Why are you not able to answer? Experienced folks. Very simple. Here, 30 attribute is there. When view 1, if you see this graph, don't you think these 30 attribute will overlap on this line or not? And I can see less than 30 attribute, yes or no? Still समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Guys, these points are overlap because 30 attributes in 2D graph, guys. When I make it to 2D graph, I convert to 1D graph. Understood or not? When I convert to 1D graph, these points looks like less than 30 because few attributes as it's linear, few overlap with the linear line or not. Clear? Online team clear? I know many people are, means this much explanation has to given you. So don't you think it reduce two dimension to one dimension or not? That is what PCA is called, dimension reduction technique. Are you clear? Team, are you understood everybody? Online team understand Q why PC is called dimension reduction, because we reduce the dimension, guys. It reduced 2D to 1D. That's why we call dimension reduction. Understood now or not? Online team crystal clear? Online team clear? So when I create dimension, now next one, I will clear all of them. I'll draw another one. So the when some, I mean, just giving, if we see the graph from this angle, it's look like the attributes are less than 30. When the attributes are less than 30, overfitting reduce or not? Guys, overfitting reduce, okay, guys? So when the overfitting reduce, this view one is called PC1. PC1 is one group. The moment when I say view 1, PC1, in this linear, when I reduction, it is not showing equal 30, it is showing less than 30, might be showing 20 attributes. So PC1 is one cluster. Are you clear? The way I teach you these concepts, you can open any books. Nobody teach you this. Let me tell you. Everybody teach you some big theory, itna bada example not required. Simply explain. Did you clear? Did you clear? Online team understood. So this is PC1 cluster. In PC1 clusters, how many data points? 20 data points. Are we clear? If I see from this view 2, can I get PC2 or not? Can I get PC2? In PC2 might be I'll get 23 data point. This is another cluster. Did you see? That's why PCA comes under clustering algorithms, guys. Now, if I see this view, can I get PC3 or not? A PC3, I can make 25 cluster. My questions, can I create multiple PCs or not? So can we create multiple PCs? Yes, boss, we can create multiple PCs, guys. And every PC is clusters, guys. Now the next questions, to build model, which PC I will consider? The PC which has highest eigenvalue, highest eigenvector, that is what considered as the PC1. Are you clear now? So today you understood that third point, PCA also called dimensionality, dimensionality reduction, because we reduced HD to LD, low dimensions. Are you clear? PC is also called what, guys? Dimension. And we can build multiple PCs, PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4. Understood or not? And every PC is a cluster. Every PC is a cluster. Understood, guys, or not? So which cluster we need to perform to build optimize model? The PC, the final PC, which has highest eigenvalue and eigenvector. That is what considered as a PC. Are you guys understood now? Do you know how to calculate now? How to calculate eigenvalue, eigenvector? Do you know? Okay. When you study, then only understand. Okay. Let me give you a small calculations. Don't do that. Just listen quick. To calculate eigenvalue, eigenvector, I need to find out a covariance matrix. Which matrix, guys? That is what people say. To learn machine learning algorithm, math is required. Lot of math we covered throughout the ML session or not? Distance matrix, matrix multiplications, Bayesian theorem, probability score, G test, T test. चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए? But up to what level you required? In demo, you asked me, sir, I'm new to math. I don't know math. Able to understand? Guys got my point. So you no need of hard level, but just basic level understand is good enough. So first, I have two values, two x and y. These are records. Understood or not? I will take x bar and y bar. What is x bar, y bar? I take a mean of it, isn't it? After I take a mean of it, I will take a covariance matrix of this data. How to find out covariance matrix? Look at the formula. Covariance of x comma y equals to xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar. Understood? What if I have covariance of x comma x equal to covariance of x comma x equal to xi minus x bar, x minus x bar. Am I correct or not? Covariance of y comma y equals to covariance of y comma y, yi minus y bar into y minus y bar. Are you guys clear? And see this one. This is very simple way we can solve it. See, what is x here? 2.5. What is x bar? 1.81. Correct, guys? X bar means what? Average. What is x? 2.5. 2.5 minus 1.81. 0.69. Clear? 2.5 minus 1 point. So x minus x1. So 0.69 into 0.69. The answer is 0.476. Crystal clear? Small math, guys. Team, are you there? If you see this now, what is x now? 0.5. 0.5. What is 0.5 minus 1.81? Minus 1.31. Minus 1.31 minus 1.31 minus 1, sorry. Minus square, positive 1.71 square. Can I do all the records like that? Finally, when you sum up all the records, I got output as 5.5490. So what I'm going to do, team, are you clear this one? X minus x bar. So what next? What next? So this is sum I got 5.5490 divided by 9 because 9 records are there or not. So finally, this is I got for this value. Crystal clear. Online team clear. Can I go same for y minus y bar? Let's solve it y minus y bar. How to solve y minus y bar? 2.4. 2.4 minus 1.91, 0.49. 0.49 into 0.49, 0.24. 0.7. 0.7 minus 1.91 minus 1.21 minus 1.21 into minus 1.21, that become 1.46. Are you clear? The same thing goes for 2.9, 2.9, and keep doing same thing, 6.449 divided by 9. Are you clear now? So the next one, covariance of x comma y equal to covariance of y comma x. Yes or no? So here x is 2.5, y is 2.4, x is 2.5, y is 2.4. X minus x bar, 2.5 minus 1.81, 0.69. Y minus y bar, 2.4 minus 1.91. So 0.69 into 0.49 equal to 0.3381. Clear, guys? Same thing goes for 0.5. 0.5 minus 1.81 minus 1.31, isn't it? This is 0.7. So 0.7 minus 1.91. So answer is minus 1.21. Minus 1 point equals to. So can I apply every values like that or not? Divided by 9. So finally, I create my covariance matrix. Did you understood how to calculate covariance matrix? So in machine learning algorithm, where to implement covariance matrix? In PCA calculation. So behind the scene, the these things is working, guys. So entire ML is math. Are you clear? In KNN, which math we study? Distance metrics, Manhattan, Euclidean. In logistic, which math we studied? Sigmoid function. 1 by 1 plus e to the power minus y. In SVM, which math we study? Maximum marginal hyperdistance between two plane. Okay, minus a is less than y, double x plus b is less than. Okay, that is SVM. In decision tree, which math we studied? Gini index, max depth, informations gain, pruning parameters, max depth. पढ़े थे? Naive Bayes, which math we studied? Bayesian theorem, Bayes theorem, prior probability, marginal likelihood, posterior probability. Random forest, it's extensions of decision tree. So we not required because we convert tree. Which one we left now? L1, L2, L1, L2, penalty parameters or not? 1 minus loss minus penalty square. Yes or no, team? Anything left, guys? KNN, everything. So please answer me. I teach you whatever required to the industry. That is what I teach you. Do not study more than that. Are you guys clear? You study, remember, this is only use concepts you feel, correct? Yes or no, team? Now, this is what you study, your rounds are clear, guys. I'm not saying I didn't teach math. I told you math. We have practical in the class. I can give you any data sets. I'm sure you will work, isn't it? Nowadays, coding is not important part, guys. In my case, coding was tough, but now coding is easy because people are very smart. The GPT tools are there, Codex is there, Cloud Code is there, all those things is there. So every day I'm introduce a very nice subject, explain slowly. This is beautiful platforms, guys. And we have spent these days. Understood now? Okay, everyone. And after finalize covariance metrics, what is next step? The next step is how to calculate lambda. Okay, so eigenvalue. The eigenvalue formula, covariance matrix minus lambda I equal to 0. Identical matrix. What is identical matrix? 1001. So when I solve it, can I get this equation or not? If I solve this quadratic equation, have you solved quadratic equation 10th class? सर मैं टीचर చెప్పాలి सर मेरा टीचर नहीं पढ़ाया क्योंकि टीचर को नहीं आता था सर वो क्या पढ़ाएगा सही बात है यार so now this is when you solve these equations I get eigenvalue. Exactly, the teachers are very worried, right? मेरे टाइम में भी यार कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ाई साले लोग पूरे. I unnecessary. Now when I realize very nicely the full ecosystem, the entire education ecosystem need to change. Agree with me, team? 100%. Some Tom, Dick, Harry become my faculties. Anyway, so eigen lambda 1, lambda 2. Eigenvalue created or not? When you created eigenvalue, this eigenvalue, when I multiply with x1, y1, I create an eigenvector. So this is eigenvector 1. This is eigenvector 2. Can you please tell me which has positivity high, guys? Which has max? Which is higher than which is lower value? Vector 2 or vector 1? Vector 2 considered as PC1. This is considered as PC2 because both has negative value. Are you clear now? This is the way the math calculates behind the scene. Team understood? So today I'm giving you one practical. Please work on PCA. Just do this now. Okay, key components. This is what we have. So I'll give you a exam. Can you work this one? Do you see the code? Not now. After the class, please build it. Understood? sklearn dot decomposition import PCA. What do you import? sklearn dot decomposition import PCA. Are you clear? This is what we needs to do now. Okay, team? And cborn sklearn dot dataset import load iris. I hope guys clear now. So this is what we will build it. So team, good job. We'll spend machine learning completed. I'll give one data science notes. Okay. This notes is powerful. Now 100 terms, algorithm cheat sheets, neural network, please keep it all of them. Okay, Hugging Face transformers will build all those things. Understand now? So we'll build all those things and then best ML models for all tasks. So image classifications, object detections. So this is very nice glossary. I made it for you. Gen AI to, okay, this is not required. And how to imported tools for machine learning. So all important tools. So if you see IDs, all those things has mentioned here. MLOps, I will start how to deploy the model. I will teach maybe next week. Understood? So let's focus on AI. L1 regularizations. Did you see detailed notes as given? It is important or not, team? Please answer me. It is important or not? Okay. And also, I will share ML interview questions. All interview questions I'm given here. 100 terms in machine learning. Supervised clusters, overfitting, underfitting. Okay. Okay, this one is powerful. Guys, are we clear now? 50 unique. Wait. Note sections. In note sections, I will be sharing part 2. If you not study consistency, nothing is possible, guys. Understood or not? This week, I'm planning to take LLM Ops workshop if time attend. Okay, let's plan it first. Just 1 second. My file and PDF NIT. Okay. I will sharing all the notes. Tell me which notes ML data pre-processing, classifications, KNN, SVM decision tree, random forest, add a boost, and then what is pipeline and anything left? Exploratory data analysis, function, Gemma model I'll give you later, gradient boosting, grid search, random search, and then machine learning, and then model evaluation. Okay, okay. NumPy, oops, already shared. Oops, I haven't started. Perfect. Question. Seaborn. Seaborn, I think already give it to you. Statistics. Copy. Fantastic. Guys, clear? All the notes I'm sharing. Look at, open it. Data pre-processing. Brain test split. Did you understood now? Better or not? KNN. How the KNN graphs is there. What kind of distance metrics apply? XGBoost. XGBoost, it is an advanced algorithm. Everything is given here. If you mention this, see equations, if you go Google, there is a lot of formula. You pagal ho jaoge. So whatever I teach you in the class, that's it. Remember, that's it enough for crack interview. Understood? Because the guy who take your interview, do you think remember all the questions? Understood? Too much speaking also very bad. Isn't it, guys? So this is all those things we given here. Evaluation of metrics, PPT and all those things we studied, or not this one, two interpretation, everything you can. So I'm also share, guys. So need-based classifications. Online team, are you there? Is it a benefit for you? Please answer. Is it helpful for you? Would it be helpful for you? I'm sure somewhere in your brain, if I get notes, it would be fine. So I'm sharing all the notes now. Okay, team? So that's it for today. Tomorrow, we'll be working on one thing I wanted to tell you. After the go home, please install this library. Online team, just one thing you listen and then leave. Import os dot install NLTK, natural language toolkit for AI first text data we're gonna work. And I will tell you, when you install this library, you might get these things. So listen once, don't do now because it requires internet. It is NLP basic code. First one. Mhm. Okay, see this, guys. Can you please write this command? Please write this command in pen. Import OS. Online team, write this command. Okay, I'll post it in the Google Classroom. So just announced, new announcement. Okay. So when execute below framework, a new pop-up window will open. Make sure every line item and every tab must need to green it. Understood, guys? Must need to green. Then only the library, then only the AI text project, AI project we can work. Tim, clear? Post. I'll tell you one demo. Import wise, the moment when I execute, a new tab will open. Do you see still? Have you opened this now? Did you notice? If you notice, this is collections, corpora, models, all packages. So when you do it, can you try now quick? When you do it, or maybe do later, you will get yellow, white, different colors you get. Make sure download. क्या करोगे guys? Download. When you click download, do you see the libraries are downloading or not? Do you see download? Refresh. Corpora. Go to the Corpora now. Again, download. Refresh. Models. You keep doing until refresh, download, refresh, download. If you're getting any errors, maybe change the Wi-Fi or then you can apply all packages, download and refresh. Good. Install successfully. Are you clear? And then hash it. Tomorrow we start AI now. Clear? Online team understood? So do not miss any class. AI will start later. Understood? And after that, we build this LangChain framework, agent development life cycle. Okay, how to build this? So this Langsmith agent, all those things, will go for it. Okay, team? That's it for today's work. Thank you. Let me post all the class notes, everything. Today ML completed, guys. Okay, let's heading towards AI on 19th. KGF Part 1 movie completed. KGF Part 2 movie start from tomorrow. Okay, close. Let me post KGF 2 movie super duper hit. उसके बाद KGF 3 ब्लॉकबस्टर. Gen AI Agentic AI. Gen AI. KGF 4 Floor Blaster. 18th. Today is 18th, right? Complete doc. Okay, please apply. I want you to get job, guys. Yeah, please, Akila, share now. Share me tomorrow. We'll discuss, okay? Yeah, ping me into my WhatsApp. We'll do it. What did I have to share? Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much. Goodbye, team. Now, Hyderabad is getting too hotter, man, day by day. Last season, we don't have this much hot. Cross-validation notes, did I share? No, you never see. Okay, guys, shared. Okay, guys, bye. Good night. Thank you. We'll connect tomorrow, okay? Awesome. I shared everything. Okay, bye. Okay, team. Good night. Good day. Bye, team. चला गया ना? जल्दी रहता है इधर, कल से मैं इसको तो पकड़ता हूँ। मैं बिजी रहता हूँ, धीरे धीरे निकल के चले जाओ। उसको आगे बिठाता हूँ कल से। ओके गाइस, यू कैन लीव। मैं उस चीजों को छोड़ के फ्रेशर के लिए ही अप्लाई करूँ क्या? तू जो काम किया था उसको तो तो कंपनी रह के उस पे मैंने एआई एमएल पे काम किया था, वही पे कर। अच्छा अच्छा, यही सर, किसी का रिज्यूम मेरा प्रिपेयर थोड़ा नहीं होता है। कर कर ऐसे ही चेंज कर। थैंक यू सर। अरे ఎక్కువ కూడా ఉండేట రా. నన్ను ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాడు సార్. అటెండ్ అవుతున్నాడా? చెప్పాడు అటెండ్ అవుతున్నా. ఈరోజు ఫోన్ చేశాడు వస్తున్నాను. వాళ్ళు వచ్చారు సార్, పేపర్ ప్రింట్ చేస్తున్నాం సార్. ఇప్పుడు ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో మనం పెట్టినవన్నీ మనకి వచ్చు సార్. ఒక బేసిక్స్ ఒక 2-3 పెట్టి సరిపోతుంది. స్క్రిప్ట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయి. మూవీ స్క్రిప్ట్ ఉంటుందా? స్క్రిప్ట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయి, దానిలోనే చెప్తాను. రెడీ చేసి చూసాను. ఏంద్రా వాట్ డాక్యుమెంట్ ఉంది, డయాగ్రామ్ చేయడానికి ఏంటి అది? అంటే బేసిక్ ఇలా దీనికి చార్జింగ్ పెట్టేశాడు. నేను రెజ్యూమ్ శాంపుల్ చూపెడతాను. నేను చేసే ఇవి 4 days నుంచి మీ పాయింట్స్ నాకు అప్డేట్ చేద్దాం. రేపు నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి రేపు పెట్టాను సార్ పక్కన. అయిపోయింది కదా, రేపు పెడతాను డెఫినెట్లీ. ఓకేనా? అలా ట్రై చేసి చూసాను సార్, కుదురుతుందా అంటే. ఇప్పుడు మీరు పెట్టిన బాగా చేశాను సార్. ఇది నేను ఏ స్టూడెంట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ తీసుకున్నా వాళ్ళందరూ 20 year ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. ఆ రెజ్యూమే పెడతా, ఫ్రెషర్ కూడా పెడతా. అవంతా మీరు కొన్ని పాయింట్స్ కాపీ పేస్ట్ చేస్తే మీ రెజ్యూమే స్ట్రాంగ్ అవుతుంది. అర్థమైందా? నేను అప్పుడు పెడతా, రెజ్యూమ్ రేపు పెడతాను. ఓకేనా? ఎందుకంటే రేపే పెట్టాలి, ఎందుకు మీరు అప్లై చేస్తారు.